Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Big One Study. Today's topic is on past tense. Okay, this video we are going to discuss the past tense rule and how to apply past tense rule in our sentences. If you want to know about present tense, I discussed them in the previous video and also share the link in the description box, so you can watch it. So let's get ready. First, we have to know what are past tense. Okay, past tense का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, इसका मतलब जो काम हम अपने बीते हुए कल में कर चुके हैं उसे बताने के लिए जो हम वाक्य जो यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें हम पास्ट टेंसेस कहते हैं. Okay, so these are also four subtypes of this tense. First, simple or indefinite. Second, past continue or progressive. And the third one is past perfect. And last one is past perfect continue. Okay, I hope you know well it. Now we are going to discuss simple past tense. First, we have to know for which sentences we can use simple past tenses. Like here I written, used to indicate an action completed in the past. It often occurs with adverbs of time. Sometimes it is used without an adverb of time. Okay, used for past habits. And there is example, I played football when I was a child. And simple past rule is, assertive rule is subject plus verb second form. For example, she wrote a letter. Here she is a subject, wrote is a second form of verb, and a letter is a object. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about negative and interrogative sentences that we make with simple past tenses. Okay, first is negative sentence. And to make a negative sentence we have to use didn't with the verb's first form in simple past. Okay, and for making interrogative sentence we have to use before the subject plus verb's first form plus object. Okay, this is the rule of making interrogative simple past tense. For example, did she write a letter? Did become first, then subject, then verb's first form plus object. Okay, I hope you understand it. Now we are going to discuss combination of interrogative and negative sentences. Okay, in past simple we have to use did in the first and then subject, then not plus verb first form and plus object. As you can see, here is an example, did she not write a letter? In this sentence we have an interrogative and negative sentence with simple past. Okay, now discuss about second subtype of past tense, that is continue tense, past continue tense. We also call it past progressive tense. Okay, it used for to denote an action going on at some time in the past. Okay, इसका मतलब है जो हम काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन शुरू हमने पास्ट में किया था. Okay, so let's see an example. I was driving a car. Okay, and the main rule of the past continuous tense is was, were plus verb's first form plus ing, as we call it assertive sentence. For making assertive sentence we need this rule, and it's called the main rule of past continuous tense. And that's the example of past continuous tense. To make negative sentence we have to use subject plus was, were plus not plus ing plus object. And here is a instance for this one. She was not writing a letter. Was indicate it's a past tense. Not writing a letter, it's a past continuous tense. Okay, so be careful when you make sentence. Okay, was an interrogative. Was will come first and then come subject plus ing plus object. Okay, that's the interrogative rule in past continuous tense. And the example is, was she writing a letter? Was she writing a letter? It's the perfect and correct instance for past continuous interrogative sentence. Okay, and then the combination come of past continuous tense, interrogative and negative for making sentence. Was word plus a subject plus not plus ing plus object. Was she not writing a letter? That's the example, and that's the main rule to make interrogative and negative past continuous tense. Let's move past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Many of us don't know what is the meaning of past perfect tense, so I written here clearly what is the meaning of past perfect tense. Used to describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. It means जो वो काम बताता है जो हमने कुछ समय पहले ही किया है, मतलब किया पास्ट में लेकिन थोड़ा सा पहले किया है हमने. ठीक है, as usually a long time ago. If with two actions happened in the past is used to show the action that took place earlier. The patient had died before the doctor came. It means डॉक्टर के आने से पहले जो पेशेंट था वो पेशेंट मर जाता है, मतलब 5 minutes बिफोर और 3 minutes बिफोर ही डाइड. मीन्स कुछ समय पहले हुई जो घटना है उसे डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस चूज़ करते हैं. As the assertive rule, for making assertive sentence we have this main rule: subject plus had plus verbs third form plus object. Okay, that's the main rule of past perfect tense, so please memorize it. And here is the example. She had written a letter. It shows clearly that's a subject, that's verbs third form and it's subject. Okay, now we are moving to negative sentence. How to make negative sentence: subject plus had plus not plus object. We have to use not after had. Okay, she had not written a letter. That's the perfect example of past perfect negative sentence. Okay, now move to interrogative sentence. In this we have had as well as before the subject plus verbs third form plus object. That's the rule to make interrogative sentence. And example is here: had she written a letter? Next, interrogative negative sentence. In this again, had become before the subject plus not plus verbs third form plus object. And that's the example of this one. Now past perfect continue. So let's start it. First, what are past perfect continue tense? We have to know this one. Okay, it's used to denote an action that began before a certain point in the past and continue up to some time in the past. Okay, for example, I have been learning English in the school for 20 days. I hope you understand with the help of example. And the main rule of past perfect continue is have been plus was first form plus ing. Okay, here is the example. Next is negative sentence. For making negative sentence, we have to use subject plus had plus not been plus was first form plus ing plus object. Like this: she had not been writing a letter. She had not been writing a letter. Okay. Next is interrogative sentence. In this, had plus subject plus been plus was first form plus ing plus object. Okay. And look at the example. It looks same as the rule. Had plus subject plus been plus was form first form with ing plus object. Okay. Next and last one is interrogative negative sentence in past perfect tense. Had plus subject plus not plus be plus was first form plus ing plus object. Okay. And we have to write and make sentence something like this. Had she not been writing a letter? Okay. So I hope you understand past tense description with the help of these ones.